Hi all, welcome to this short introduction to the Xeon range of winches which we have recently acquired in the spirit of outdoors. I'll give you a small introduction of these four different lines of winches that we currently stock, and let me start by the most entry level and most affordable winch, which is the Tabor range right here. Then we go up to an old legendary M series M8000S winch, the multi-mount 9.5 CTI, and then finally the Xeon range of winches. So let's take a closer look at each one of these. This is the Tabor 8K winch, which is the entry level series. It uses all the high quality materials, wire rope, series wound motor, everything that is part of every other Xeon winch. It just comes with a very affordable starting price of around 64,000 rupees. You can get more details on our website. It's also a fairly slim profile, so it can fit comfortably into smaller vehicles such as the Gypsy or the Thar, and any other SUVs where you might want to have a more discreet installation beneath the bumpers, the factory bumpers. We then move on to the next one in line, which is the M series winch. The M series has been basically old line running of Xeon, and it's quite a popular winch series. You can see there's no winch rope included in this because this is actually the S version. S stands for synthetic rope, so this comes with its own Spydera synthetic rope, 100 feet long, and many benefits apart from synthetic rope being a lot less dangerous if in case the winch rope fails for some reason. So this is the S version, M8000S. It's also lighter by a good 7 to 8 kilos. So again, for lighter SUVs or for smaller applications, this is perhaps the right winch to go for. What we have here is the 9.5 CTI 9,500 pound multi-mount winch. It uses a wire rope for added strength, and as you can see behind it, it uses a carrier which can be used in conjunction with a 2-inch receiver to be mounted to the front or the back of the vehicle, so it gives you added flexibility. Mind you, it's a heavy winch, so it will require possibly 2 people to lift the weight of the winch and the carrier combined, but in any case it gives you the flexibility to take it, to lift it up, and then basically mount it to the position where you require winching. Here's a closer look at the carrier which takes the winch. Mind you, this carrier can actually take a few of the other winches as well, not the Xeon series because that's a bit too bulky for this, but any of the other series, the M8000S or the Tabor, can also be mounted in this carrier, but it is meant specifically for the 9.5 CTI. Down here is the receiver that goes into the receiver mounted on your car, so you would need to ideally have 2 of these fabricated and provisioned for in the vehicle, so it can be mounted on the front or the rear of the car. And finally, we have the premium series, the Xeon series of winches from Xeon. This is the latest line of winches that Xeon has developed, and it is definitely the best looking winch of all. So if you want an installation where the winch is clearly visible, this is the look to go for. Additionally, the main benefit of the Xeon series is that the control pack on the top can be detached and installed in a different position. Some people actually use that to waterproof the winch better because it contains all the solenoids in this control box. So this can actually be installed inside the cabin, or perhaps at a drier position away from arm's way, or alternatively you can also have a low profile look, so only this height of the winch needs installation, and then the control pack can be mounted separately. Again, useful in the case of SUVs that you might want installation under the stock bumper, or perhaps a bumper which resembles the stock bumper. Absolutely high quality winch. This is this S version, hence there's no wire rope. It comes with the Spydura synthetic rope, and also we have the wire rope version for those inclined towards wire ropes. We have these winches in 3 capacities, starting from 8,000 pounds, 10,000 pounds, which is this one right here, and up to the big 12,000 pounds for heavy applications, and where constant winching against great load factors is required. This is the Spydura synthetic rope from Warn. It can be used with all winches up to 10,000 lbs capacity. The 10S and the M8000S winches come standard with this type of rope, also the Xeon 8S. So, but in any case, this is available separately via Spirit of Outdoors, so you can replace the wire rope with a synthetic rope if you're so inclined. Again, you know, it makes the winch lighter, and in case of breakage, there isn't the risk of injury as with a standard wire rope. Unfortunately, the 12,000 pound winches are rated above and beyond the strength of this rope, so it can only be used in winches up to the 10,000 pound capacity. We have other products from the Warn range of products, such as the HID driving lights and the non-HID version of the same. Details of these will be posted in another video, or you can visit our Facebook page or the website for more details.